Today we are in farm harvesting. Let me show you a rabbit hole. See this? This is a squirrel. Squirrel hole. You see? I say it prints. It shows that the squirrel is inside. You dig this, get it. Yeah, I will tell about.
Well done. I need to go give those guys, but they well done. So,
Imagine, oh, you let me to my own.
Fumara cross a kuma. Nah.
Maybe I will form more.
A banana.
You're welcome. Solid. Ah, Bel Nambantalo. Yes. This is a big yam. Big one. This is first 100. No, I know Langan. Okay.
I need some help. Put my head on fire. Head on fire, can't cool. My head on fire, can't cool.
I'm going to kill them all.